Right, so move on to the next scenario. So the next scenario is how can we handle marketplace transactions? So as according to the LHDN guideline, if you have any marketplace trading, for example, if you sell online in Lazada or Shopee, they are the one that will be in charge of handling e-invoice to the customer, which is the buyer, and also to perform self-bill on behalf of you. So, in your case, let's say if you really need to create an invoice in AutoCount, maybe you want to deduct the stock and record your sales, and you don't want this particular transaction to be submitted to LHDN, because if you submit this invoice again to LHDN, it will be double. Your sales will be double because Lazada and Shopee already had done the self-billing on behalf of you. So after keying in the details, what we need to handle or what we need to make use of is this submit e-invoice checkbox. So by unticking this checkbox, you are trying to tell the system that this invoice does not need to submit to LHDN. So again, I choose auto count with TIN number. I click approve, and you can see the e-invoice status is blank. Means that this invoice is not submitted to LHDN because you don't want it to be, right? So for those that actually practice online selling in marketplace platform like Shopee, Lazada, you can make use of this transaction. This function submit e-invoice, untick this so that your transaction does not goes to LHDN. A reminder over here, this is only for transactions in a marketplace platform. A marketplace platform here means like Shopee, Lazada, Lelong, those that are in Malaysia. So if you are having your own e-commerce website, your own company online transactions, that one you still have to submit, all right? Because the your own website, if you sell, nobody actually submit the e-invoice or self-billing to the HDN. So you have to send e-invoice if the website is your own and it is not from a marketplace platform. So that is for this video on how can you handle marketplace transactions.